Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to dribble a basketball between your legs. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now first and foremost, you have to know how to dribble the ball. So make sure that you've done enough research and you've practiced enough to be able to easily dribble the ball. You want to make sure that your ball is also not overly inflated. If you have a basketball that's inflated too much, it's going to bounce too high and you're not going to be able to dribble it between your legs because you're going to get too much bounce. I would rather you work with something that is underinflated, just like this ball right here. It's just slightly underinflated, as you can see, than something that is overinflated. So basically I want you to get a ball that is definitely not overinflated, but preferably even underinflated. It's going to reduce the bounce for you and make it a little bit easier to work with. The first thing that you have to do is just dribble back and forth. So from one hand to the other, just bounce it back and forth, okay? And we're going to start off with just that. So just do this simple exercise for a few minutes. Just like that. Go a bit wider now. Now I want you to make sure that you're not bouncing the ball too high, because you have to remember the ball has to go between your legs, okay? And you might be 6'4", but I'm only 5'7", so that's why I can't dribble too high, or else the ball is definitely not gonna make it underneath my legs, okay? So basically dribble back and forth as you saw right there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna dribble back and forth, but every once in a while we're gonna throw one leg forward. So as I'm dribbling back and forth, I'm gonna put one leg forward and I'm gonna send the ball underneath. So the ball is gonna go this way, it's gonna bounce, go this way, I'm gonna throw my leg forward and then send it back underneath my leg, just like this. And then catch it. You don't have to keep going back and forth, just do that and then catch it. Just like that. And what you're doing is you're practicing getting that ball to go underneath your legs. You don't have to keep dribbling it back and forth because that will come in time, but just catch it, okay? Just like that. Now you're going to find out that you're more dominant with one leg or the other, okay? So you can switch it up to sort of get good with both legs. Just like that. So you're sending one leg forward when the ball is almost reaching the other hand, and then you're sending it under the leg. So as I'm dribbling, as the ball passes this point, sending my leg forward, and then as I go back, it's going under my leg. So check this out. And in order to give yourself more time, what you can do is send the ball and sort of cushion it significantly, right? So as you can see, I'm giving myself more time. And then as you practice, you can just keep getting better and better at it. Just keep practicing, you'll get better and better. And that's it. That is essentially how to dribble a ball between your legs. This is an easy and full tutorial. Follow the instructions in this video and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.